What if you could trade Bitcoin at 3x or 5x leverage without opening a margin account, without position collateral, and without the fear of getting liquidated? That's exactly what Gate ETF are designed to do. They are spot traded tokens that gives you amplified exposure to crypto price movements, long or short, in a format that is very simple as buying any token on Gate. In this video, I'm going to explain how they work and what makes them different from futures and margin trading, and critically, what you need to understand before using them. That being said, let's dive right into the video. First, I want to break down the name. Gate calls this product leveraged tokens, but they are not like a basket of assets like the traditional ETFs. They are individual leveraged tokens, each one tracking a specific crypto with a fixed leverage multiplier. The naming convention tells you everything. Take BTC3L, which is also known as Bitcoin 3x long. That's a token designed to move 3x in the same direction as Bitcoin. If Bitcoin moves by 10%, BTC3L targets a 30% gain. On the short side, BTC3S moves 3x in the opposite direction. If Bitcoin drops 10%, BTC3S targets a 30% gain. Gate offers both 3x and 5x versions across a wide range of crypto assets, so you can long or short with amplified exposure without ever touching the futures or the margin markets. And note, you buy and sell these tokens on the spot markets just like you would buy BTC or ETH. No collateral, no leverage ratios to manage, and no margin calls, which means he will never be liquidated. The token itself handles the leverage mechanics internally. The magic and the complexity is in the auto rebalancing. Let me explain what that means and why it matters. To maintain a stable 3x or 5x leverage ratio, Gate rebalances each token's underlying position daily, typically at midnight UTC +8. If the market moves sharply during the day, enough to push the leverage ratio significantly off the target, an additional rebalance triggers immediately to bring it back in line. So why does this matter? Because without rebalancing, your leverage ratio would drift after every price move. A 3x token that experiences a big loss would have its effective leverage drop, and due to that, you would no longer be getting a 3x exposure. So rebalances fixes that, keeping the product consistent and predictable. Gate rebalances at 12 o'clock AM UTC +8 every day, plus additional rebalances when price swings are large enough to push leverage off targets. You don't manage this, the token does it automatically. Unlike futures or margin trading, there is no liquidation. The token adjusts itself to avoid being wiped out entirely. This is one of the biggest structural differences from traditional leverage trading. Each token maintains a fixed target multiplier. BTC3L always aims for 3x Bitcoin exposure. You always know what you are holding. Gate charges only 0.1% fee to cover the cost of maintaining the leveraged positions, and this compounds by the day, which is one reason these tokens are designed for short-term use. So let's put this side by side with the alternatives, because that is where the real value of ETF leveraged tokens becomes clear. There is no risk of liquidation in leveraged ETF, but when it comes to futures and margin, you can be liquidated. You don't need collateral to trade leveraged ETF, but you need collateral for futures and margin. You can trade leveraged ETF on the spot market, but you cannot trade them on futures and margin. Leveraged ETF rebalances automatically, while the other two rebalances manually. Leveraged ETF are not suitable for sideways markets, but when it comes to futures and margin, this is just neutral. Leveraged ETF are not suitable for long-term hold, but when it comes to futures and margin, you can basically hold them for long term. ETF leverage tokens removes the operational complexity and liquidation risks of futures and margin, but they introduce another level of risk: volatility decay. More on that in a bit. Gate ETF leverage tokens are high risk products. No liquidation does not mean no risk. It means the risk works differently. Here is what you actually need to understand. Now let's talk about volatility decay. This is the most misunderstood risk. In a choppy sideways market, leverage tokens lose value even when the underlying assets goes nowhere. Here is why. If Bitcoin drops 10% and then rebounds 10%, Bitcoin is back to roughly even. But a 3x token drops 30% and then goes up 30%, and you are left with less than you started. The rebalancing that is protecting you from liquidation is the same mechanism that causes the decay. This makes leveraged ETF poorly suited to ranging or volatile sideways markets. Between the 0.1% daily management fee and volatility decay, leveraged tokens erode in value over time unless the market is trending consistently in your direction. They are short-term directional trading tools, not buy and hold investments. The same leverage that multiplies your gain also multiply your losses. A 3x token on the wrong side of a 20% move means a 60% loss on that position. These instruments move fast and hard. To use this effectively, you need a strong short-term conviction on price direction. If you are not sure which way the market is going, a leveraged ETF is the wrong tool. The product rewards correct directional bets and punish uncertainties. So in summary, Gate ETF works best if you have a strong conviction of where the market is headed. It is not suitable for set it and forget it strategy. It is not suitable for long-term holding, and it is not suitable for a ranging market. Gate leveraged ETF are built for a specific type of trader. If you are a short-term trader who wants an amplified directional exposure without the operational stress of margin or liquidation risks of futures, these tokens gives you a clean, simple way to shine. They are particularly useful if you don't have access to futures or margin, or if you simply prefer the simplicity of the spot market mechanics. Buy the token, hold your position, and sell when you are done. No open orders to manage, no funding rates to monitor, and no liquidation price to watch. But if you are a beginner or you are looking for a long-term crypto investment, this is not the right product. The complexity of volatility decay and the daily fee make this unsuitable as anything other than short-term and tactical tools. Gate ETF leverage tokens are genuinely useful products when used correctly. Amplified exposure, spot simplicity, and no liquidation. But they are also one of the most misunderstood products in crypto trading, and the risks are real and specific. So make sure you understand volatility decay before you trade. Use them for short-term directional bets, size your positions carefully, and if you are not confident in short-term crypto trading, you have to build that foundation first. To get started with Gate ETF leverage tokens, use the link in the description of this video to sign up. If you found this helpful, make sure you like and subscribe for more. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.